In class 12 business studies, we are on chapter number 3, that is business environment. And in business environment, we already completed the meaning and dimensions of business environment. I gave you one diagram of 5 dimensions: simple, economic, social, technological, political, and legal. Simple word I gave you of or dimensions of business environment. Dimensions means different components of environment. Our environment means surroundings. Surroundings which affect our workings, our organization. 5 dimensions are there: economic, social, technological, political, and legal. Economical environment which consists profit, consumption, income, savings, production, taxation rate, monetary system, fiscal system, everything which is related with the economy, like GDP, etc. On that day, I gave you few examples of all the economic environment also. Then next is social environment. Social environment, the environment which is related with society, religion, beliefs, custom, tradition, lifestyle, education level, employment level, all include in social environment. Festivals, fashion, trends, choice of public, choice of customers, all included social environment. Then technological environment. Advancement, research and development, advanced technological features, equipments, methods, online trading, online banking, online teaching, all work from home, all are example of technological environment. Then political environment. Political environment consists the ideology of ruling party, opposition party, stability, government policies, government rules, everything will be in political environment. Then legal environment. Legal means the related with the law, rules and regulations, environment of the court, justice, different acts. So in exam, you will get one case study, and in that case study, they will tell you to identify the business environment's dimension. So there are 5 types of dimension. Yes, please. Simple, S, social, technological, political, legal, economic. Okay, on that day we discussed various case studies, like nowadays people prefer to buy or to book online tickets, railway tickets, air tickets. This is the example of which dimension. So by using internet or online world, we can say this is technological environment. Okay, next, due to corona pandemic, the various organizations reduce the salary of their workers. So now they are consuming less, now they are saving less. So that vicious circle start, and now investments are also less. Which business environment will be affected here? Is this economical? Why economical? Because it is related with income, saving, consumption, investment, all the terms which are related with the economy. Okay. Now, next, in Dubai, if you will not wear face mask, the government will impose or the authorities will impose penalty of 250 dirhams, that is their law. Which environment they are using? They are giving you as an example, legal. Why? Because that is related with the law. Now today, as we completed yesterday, the day before yesterday and in the previous videos, Shandani, please switch your video on, beta. So in previous video, we completed dimensions. Today I given you the summary. Now we are moving towards features of business environment. Now see the features of business environment. Environment refers to the surroundings in which a person or organization operates. Environment means the surroundings which covers us, in which we are operating, and it includes political, social, economical, technological, and legal. Same word, STEM. Now, who affects the business environment? Suppliers, customers, governments, all are the part of business environment. Now, today features of business environment. Our today's topic is features of business environment. See, the business environment is the totality of external forces. There are various external forces which affects us, like customers, suppliers, employees, competitors, investors, media. Means the organization is affected by various external forces. So these forces affects the business environment. Digvijay Singh, you are not copying anything, no, from slides. Totality of external forces. Business environment is the sum total of all individuals, institutions, and other factors which are out of control. See, customers are out of control. Competitors are also out of control. Why? Because other business may enter into the business as competitors and they will influence our customers. Same investors. Investors also affected by the business environment. They may leave your company and they will invest somewhere else. So these are the external forces which affects business. And these are the main component of business environment but out of control. That's why it is known as external forces. We cannot control external forces. We can control our internal forces. How we can control external forces? It is like, just now I have given you the example, customers and competitors. You can take the example just now, before few time. The Jio enters as a tough competitor for Airtel, Vodafone, Idea. So the customers, what they react? What was their reaction? They switch over. Because Jio was giving services at less price, so the customers leave the Airtel and join the Jio. This is the external force. Now there are two forces, specific forces and general forces. Specific forces are those forces which are directly affected in our day-to-day workings. Just now I gave you the example, customers and competitors. Because without customers, no business can survive. And competitors will enter into the business and they can switch over your competitors towards them. Then factors which influence indirectly. staple, social, technological, political, legal, economical. These are affected indirectly. Indirectly, these are known as general forces. So the factors which affects directly, that is specific, and the factors which influence indirectly, like GST, government policies, technology, it affects but indirectly. You can take the example. Specific forces are customers, competitors, suppliers. General forces are staple, economic, social, technological, political, legal. Now next. All elements of business environment are closely interrelated. Closely interrelated, how these are interrelated? See, I am giving you the example. Economical, social, technological, political, legal. Economic environment affects the social. Technological environment also affects the social. See, the technology affects our daily life. You can see the example by sitting at home, you are studying. By Zoom, I can teach. This is virtual training. So all the elements are interrelated. Like political environment affects economic environment affects social environment, legal also affects society. So all elements are interrelated and interdependent. Technological development may result in loss of various employment opportunities. See, in the banks, now the computers are doing the work. In future time, the robots are coming. They will replace the manpower. You can see the example of a big pizza delivery company. They are delivering the pizza through drone. So, the technological environment will affect the social environment also. That will affect the economic environment also, then dynamic. The business environment is changing very fast. New competitors, technological improvement, these are the factors which affects our business environment. Yes, my dear children. See, few days back you are using some other phone, now you are using some other phone with different features, with advanced features. Before 6 months, we are teaching offline. Now we are teaching online because the environment is changing very fast. In the month of January and February, we don't know about the dynamic, about the corona pandemic, but the business environment is changing. So we have to change according to that. Okay? We have to change according to the technology, according to the choice of customers, according to the situation, environment, requirement. We have to change because our business environment is changing very fast. Then, uncertainty. We cannot predict the future. No one can predict the future, what will happen. If there will be no vaccine, maybe there will be no exams by CBSE and school exams will be there. So no one can predict the future. What will happen in the future? The business environment is uncertain. Change in technology, change in fashion industries. See, I can give you the example. Nokia. One time that was a very famous company. Only one monopoly, only one company to deliver the cell phone. They are going on manufacturing the cell phone. Now the Samsung came into the market with advanced feature, with different color, size, design. They remove the Nokia from the market. No one can predict the future. Do you? No. We cannot predict the future, what will happen in the next few days. Even we cannot predict the future of our next 10 minutes. Complexity. Complexity. Uncertainty means we cannot predict the future. And complexity means we cannot predict the impact. Maybe that is positive, maybe that is not negative. Yes, business environment. The environment is very complex in nature. Some students are liking online teaching. By sitting at home, they can learn. Some are not ready to learn by this way. Because this impact is unpredictable. See, many students are ready to join the class daily because they like the online class. No need to go out from the home, stay safe. But few are not liking the way. That's why we can say the impact is unpredictable. How we can predict the impact? See, I am teaching with my complete energy. That is impact someone or not on someone. It's your choice. So, environment is a complex phenomenon. Nobody can predict the impact. If the fashion is changing, if the technology is changing, that may be positive impact for someone and that may be negative impact on someone. Last is relativity. Last feature is relativity. Business environment is relative since it differs from country to country, even region to region. Business environment is completely different from country to country, region to region. We can say the demand of sari is high in India, but very less in France, very less in Dubai. Why? Because the business environment of France and business environment of Dubai and business environment of India is entirely different. So we will revise what I have taught you just now. If you want to copy it, you can. Totality of external forces. There are various forces which are out of control. Externality means out of control. We cannot control them. Yes. Can we control the virus? We can minimize, but we cannot eliminate. Second is specific and general force. Specific and general force. Some forces are specific while some are general. General means which affects indirectly, specific means which affects directly. Interrelatedness. Interrelatedness means some elements of environment are closely related or interdependent. As I gave you the example, economic environment affected by the technological environment as well. Dynamic. Dynamic means business environment is changing very fast. Uncertainty. Business environment is uncertain. We cannot predict the future. Uncertain. It is complex and relativity. Complex and relativity. So these are the points. See, there is the conclusion. These are the dimensions. These are the features. Now, one by one, I will explain you. T. Totality of external forces. Totality of external forces means the business environment is affected by the external forces which are out of control. We cannot control them. How can you control your competitors? No. They are coming with the new strategy, new style, new products. We cannot control them. That's why totality of external forces. S and G. Specific and general. Specific means directly affected. General means to everyone, indirect. Then I, interrelatedness. See, business environment's dimensions are interrelated. How? See the technology, Zoom, and I am teaching you. Technological environment is related with the social environment. Ashwardhan, shall I remove you, beta? You want to go out? Ashwardhan, please switch your video on. So that is interrelated. Then dynamic. Dynamic means the business environment is changing very fast. We have to cope up with it. Otherwise, oh, see, the technological environment changed the methodology of the teaching. See, the business environment, see the technological advancements, change the pattern of teaching. From last 33 years I am teaching, I can't think about it, but we are teaching because the business environment is dynamic. Dynamic means fast changing. Then due uncertainty, we cannot predict the future. ये कब तक चलेगा? We don't know about this corona pandemic. Till when we will teach you through online, it's unpredictable. Then C, complex. It's very difficult to understand the impact. Then last is relativity. Relativity means the business environment's impact is different. The business environment is different from region to region, from country to country. Just now I gave you the example. Like McDonald's never opened their branch in rural or villages areas, backward areas, because people don't prefer fast food. So their business environment is different from region to region. Okay? The demand of saris are high in India, and very less France or Dubai. Okay? Any doubt, but if you have any doubt, we can discuss. See, be clear in mind. These are the dimensions. These are the features. If they will ask you dimensions, then think about the statement. Economic, social, technological, political, and legal. And if they will tell you about the features, Then you will think about these